Hello, my name's Mark, and welcome. Thanks for clicking on the YouTube video. My first one, and we're going to learn A, how to make a video, and B, how to work on a Simplicity tractor. This is my 2002 Simplicity Legacy. Bought it new, 54-inch mower, triple bagger, without the bags hanging on it now, stored for the winter. And it's been a pretty good machine. Got some hours on it, been maintained pretty well, and if not for some operator error / stupidity, I probably wouldn't have had to fix it so much. But here's a common problem that I've discovered, not only my own problem, but a bunch of other people, is that tilt steering flops around and doesn't work. A little bit later I'll take it apart and I'll show you how the gears are broken. The clip that holds it in place is broken, and we'll try to get it fixed up. Back when I broke it, I looked on the website for Simplicity parts, and the parts I needed / the whole assembly was obscenely expensive to me. And I figured, well, forget it, we'll just use it as it is. And as time went on, I figured it might be nice to fix it. So I looked again, and well, they're not obscenely expensive anymore. They're not available. So I joined the Simplicity Legacy group, amongst others on Facebook, and posted a question, where do I get the parts for this? And most of the comments were, well, just weld it in place and forget about it. And a couple of guys suggested, use the marine application. And I was like, huh, what marine application? So I Googled and looked on Facebook, and looked on eBay, and got some odd answers and some results that looked like they might work or might be able to work. But all of a sudden, a couple weeks ago, a unit came up, a used unit, came up on eBay, and I said, wow, that really looks exactly like what I've got. So I did some stare and compare and said, well, we'll give it a shot, we'll order it. And it came in, and it looks exactly what I need, and we'll go from there. So we're going to zip this up into the garage and take it apart and see what we come up with. Thanks for following along, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're up in the garage now, a little bit warmer, better lighting, and we're going to take this apart. So when I was reading some of the posts on the Simplicity Legacy Facebook page, somebody said, well, how's it happen? How's it break? Well, it breaks when you get on the tractor and you pull on it, and it breaks the teeth or pops the clip that holds it in place. So here's the thing, if yours does work, don't use the steering wheel to get on and off the tractor. It's good to tilt, and it'll tilt back and forth forever, but you start yanking and pulling on it, it's going to go south on you. So on eBay, what I found initially, not eBay, but just Googling the marine tilt steering, found some units by Teleflex and Seastar. They look similar. They look like they might be able to adapt and work, but they did not look like the same unit. So what I found was this unit, and it was a Morse Marine adjustable tilt helm. And I think this is off a 96 boat. There was another one on there, still on there now on eBay, same seller, for a 94 boat. But once I take the rubber boot off that to put it on, I'll take some video of it, and it looks like it's in excellent shape. So we're gonna swap it out and not pull on it when I get on and off the tractor, and it should last me a long time. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the steering wheel off, take the cover off of it, off the center. Little plastic pry tool should just pop that off, and then the bolt like that one, and we'll take the steering wheel off, and we'll be right back. Okay, after fighting with this for a while, it's obvious it's not going to come off without some proper persuasion that I don't have here at my garage. So I'm going to take the whole assembly off, bring it to my good friend, and borrow his air chisel and drive that shaft out of my steering wheel, because I need the steering wheel. But now that I've got this uncovered, I'll show you exactly kind of what happened here. The teeth kind of got chewed up pretty badly. The release lever and pin, release lever broke on that side, and pin bent so that the tilt unit is not functional. So anyway, we got a replacement. We found the correct one. I'll show that to you when I go to put it on. We've got two 7/16 bolts on that side, two 17/16 bolts on the other side, and over here we have these Torx bits, and I don't know what they are. I have them in my hand off to the side to release the swivel part from the shaft that goes to the power steering pump. So we're going to take this off, go get the steering wheel removed from it, and then we'll be back. Don't know if I mentioned in the beginning, the tractor has 569 hours on it. It's been real good. And I suppose I could just weld this thing solid and be happy with it and use it, but we're gonna make it function like it was designed to and like it originally did. Back in a bit. Okay, here's the unit off, and a little notch in the main shaft. That stays there, and all you gotta do is loosen up that little Torx bit screw bolt, and it'll slide right off. The notch in the shaft corresponds with the bolt that goes through that little knuckle, and slips back down. Tighten it back on, and you're good to go. So we'll put this back on, put the boot on it, put the steering wheel back on it, and we should be good to go. One more step and it'll work right. And there it is, back together again. And I don't know if I can do this with one hand or not. Push it down, and it tilts down. Up, and it tilts up. And the trick is, do not use the steering wheel as a handle to pull your large butt back onto the tractor. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe and help us out with the channel. I'm kind of new to this YouTube thing, but we're going to do some fix-it stuff, videos that I haven't found on the internet before. So this is number one. Thanks again for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button down the bottom, and we'll see you next time.